Alright, today we're going to be talking about the quantum theory. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, I like a lot of science topics, and I really do like note-taking as well. So with each of these YouTube videos, I'm going to be supplying a free note-taking sheet that goes along with each specific video. So for this video, I have these notes, and you can copy them, put them into a different browser. Color is recommended. You can paste them into another doc, and if they don't seem to work, you can leave a comment. I can personally send them to you. Okay, so let's start off with Planck's quantum theory. Planck quantum theory said that the atoms and molecules emit or absorb energy only in discrete quantities, and these bundles of energy were called quanta. Quanta are the smallest unit quantity of energy that can be emitted. Now we have photon energy. We have H. This is Planck's constant. It's 6.63 times 10 to the negative 34 joule seconds. F is frequency of photon / the electromagnetic radiation. C is the speed of light. 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. Then we have the wavelength. You'll see this as lambda. Wavelength of photon / electromagnetic radiation. So you can, so E equals HF, or which is equal to HC over wavelength. So let's talk about the photoelectric effect. This is light when it strikes the metal and ejects electrons. This increasing the intensity increases the number of electrons that come off, and then increasing the frequency causes electrons which were ejected to have kinetic energy, so they're moving at greater speeds. The photoelectric effect explained is that light is made up of a stream of particles called photons, and each photon has energy. It's kind of crazy to think that each small little photon has energy, and then each photon, if it has enough energy, can knock off one electron, but do note that the more intense the light, more photons strike the plate. So let's talk about the dual nature of light. Light is both a wave and a particle, and depending on the experiment, light behaves one way or the other, aka not simultaneously. And there's a principle, in fact, it's called the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, where you can see this happening simultaneously. And I'm going to have practice questions for all this material in the next few videos. You can see that either, I believe, tomorrow or maybe even today. I might post it out. Okay, so if you have any questions, that was all for this video. Just a brief introduction. If you have any questions, please email me at billnye@gmail.com, and don't forget to subscribe and follow. I also have an Instagram account where you can follow me and see all the notes I take. I have notes for science like biology, chemistry, some physics as well. And so, yeah, that's it for this video. See ya.